Kaspa holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Let's waste no more time and take a look at what's happening with Kaspa and what we could be expecting going into Friday morning. Shout out to you guys. I don't want to bore you guys, with all the thank yous and stuff, but it just really means the world to me for you guys to say insane amount of positive things, and of course show a tremendous amount of love on these updates. Continue supporting, and you guys know I will continue to bring out these updates. We're back on schedule, no days off. We're going to take Crypto ZX to the top, to the moon. So anyways, if you're looking across the board, we are seeing a lot of green across the market right now. Some interesting things happening, which obviously I'm going to highlight to you guys right now. If you're looking at Kaspa, on the other hand, Kaspa is up 1.3% in USD, also up 1.9% in Bitcoin comparative. Price at 11.63 cents, valuation holding nicely at $3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at 93.9 million. Of course, it has gone down a little bit compared to yesterday, but in Kaspa standards, still really impressed with the way things are going. Still, of course, no explanation, no reason why, a lot of exchanges haven't listed it. I still ask myself that same question day by day because, there's so much garbage out there that's listed on, big exchanges with trash type of tokenomics, and it just doesn't make sense. But Kaspa is not listed with such a massive community. It'll not make sense to me, but it is what it is, obviously out of our control. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So something very interesting did indeed take place, because if you're looking at the last 1 hour, we did see the dominance actually pulling down, which again gave a lot of memes specifically a chance to move up. Some utility projects as well, but memes really felt the love based off of this retracement, because let's face it, Bitcoin also did see a retracement. You can see this for yourself, and when Bitcoin sees a retracement, you would expect the dominance to hold pretty much stagnant or go down. Especially in the bullish, momentum, you would want the dominance to fall down, and that's exactly what ended up happening. And it's really showing when you're taking a look at the broader market. So if you're looking at BTC, of course, it did see a healthy correction. It's pretty much ranging around this level right now. Has retested the 111,900 a few times. We actually haven't seen a $112,000 price point officially just yet, but I think that is coming much sooner than we expect. So so far so good as far as Bitcoin is concerned. But if you're looking at Kaspa, holding really nicely as well. Kaspa has maintained itself above that key support line, which again is a level you want to see the price of Kaspa hold. And as of now, it has been holding that, and it has been performing really nicely. Of course, from April 7th, we are looking at Kaspa up 150%. So to any of the haters out there that has anything negative to say about Kaspa not performing, I'm sure they're not going to be saying anything when they look at this. And as a content creator, I get to see market sentiment shift, at a perfect, rate. And right now we are seeing obviously the entire market turning into bullish trajectory. And of course, you are starting to see, people's overall sentiment also starting to change towards the bullish side of things, which is really funny to me, of course. But let's take a look at, what's happening with Kaspa on the hourly time frame here today. So if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, of course, we are in this upward trajectory. So let's face it, this upward trend has still not been invalidated. Let me just take you guys down, to the April retracement. We did see a beautiful upside, and then we saw a retracement of about 24%. And right now, we did see just about a week and a half ago, the 13-cent retest, we went down 20.9 cents and have 21%, and have already started to make our way towards the upside. So as I've stated to you guys before, I don't want to bore you guys. I'm going to keep it a little bit simple. The 61.8 is the level to be looking out for right now, but mainly first the 13.5 cents. That is the first step to cross. After we cross that, pretty much sky's the limit for the price of Kaspa to start doing some great things. But we're going to take it one step at a time. So far so good. Really impressed with the way Kaspa is currently holding and the way it's performing. Again, it has left a lot of people speechless, which is always nice to see. But let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.